whoever has taqwa of Allah Rabbul Izzah, Allah will ease in his situation. What is taqwa? A person came to Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu. He said, Ya Abu Hurairah, what is taqwa? So Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu wa ardah asked him, have you ever crossed a thorny path? Have you ever walked on a path where there's thorns? He said, yes. He goes, what did you do? He said, I grabbed my cloak around me carefully and navigated my way safely so that my garb does not get stuck and tangled up in any of the thorns. He goes, that is taqwa. To go through life cautious and conscientious, that I not step in anything that is the disobedience of Allah, lest my Lord become unhappy. So taqwa is Allah consciousness, that in everything you do, you say, what does Allah Rabbul Izzah say? Will Allah become happy, Jalla Subhanah? If I overlook this, will He become happy? If I take an exception to that, do you understand that your whole of life with your family, with your wife, with your kids, everything is related to this, and Allah guarantees, says, وَمَنْ يَتَّقِ اللَّهِ, whoever has taqwa of Allah, whoever becomes Allah conscious, I will make his situation easy for him.